Hi, I'm Adam Ring with Innovative-IDM. You know, when I walk through manufacturing plants, sometimes I'll come across a control panel, and you open it up and look inside, and you see this technology that's like 30, 40 years old. And so what's starting to happen is customers are finding that a lot of the controls in their automation are starting to really become aged. And when that happens, if something breaks, it's really, really hard to find. We find a lot of people that search on eBay and try to find replacement parts. Sometimes they'll send them in and try to get parts repaired, but as they continue to age, the repair gets more and more expensive, and eventually things just get to the point where they're just not repairable anymore. And so one of the worst things that happens is a major component necessary for the operation of a machine goes out, and then the machine is completely rendered useless until you either find a new part or completely rebuild the controls for it. And so by retrofitting a control panel, you're able to remove any of those obsolete components and replace them with the current up-to-date stuff that's readily available. It gets rid of all your hard to find, really difficult parts. It enables you to not have to worry about repairs for a while. Typically the life of a new control panel before you have to really start repairing stuff, usually it lasts about 10 years before things start to break down. And then you eliminate that big, terrible, major risk of downtime. And everybody knows, you know, whatever the cost to build a new control panel is usually minimal in regards or compared to what it would cost if a machine goes down and can't produce product for weeks or months on end while a new control panel is being designed and built. So overall, it's a really good idea if you've got aged control panels where a component going out could really, really cost some major downtime and production loss. It's a good idea to go ahead and take a look at retrofitting those control panels. If you'd like help in that regard, take a look at Innovative-IDM.com. We're the home of the legendary customer experience.